Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you enjoy the videos. Peace out.
You rocking it with DJ Flyguy.
Okay guys, welcome to the Auckland Harbour Bridge. This is where they have the bungee jump off the bridge. I think it's right over here. Yeah, bungee off the bridge, Auckland Bridge. Yeah. This is, I think it's West Haven Marine. Here we go. Just a quick tour for you guys if you're in this area. Come and check it out. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay guys, I'll see you on the next clip here. Okay guys, we're back. Waffles. This one is all the waffles. Check out all the ingredients. Hello. Just checking out all your ingredients. Here we go. Here. Check this out. Some of the prices here. There's a special one here. Nice. Okay. 2 for 5. Hello. Can I get 2 for 5? I'm gonna have some of this right here because that's squid, sweet sour. You know the rest.
You want a small plate for that?
Huh?
You want a small plate?
Thank you. There we go. Check this out. Okay guys. I'll see you guys in the next scene, yeah? I'm gonna go and demolish this, I'm gonna go and demolish this because oh my gosh, I'm so hungry for this. Okay guys. See you in the next scene. back to. I think I'll grab one to take home. Looks very delicious. Might get a demo again. You might get a demo. In the next scene. Hello, can I get the $10 one, please? I have the rice. What's this here?
Teriyaki chicken.
Yeah. And what's that?
Sweet sour pork.
Yeah, sweet sour pork. And what's that? Lemon?
And lemon chicken.
Yeah.
$10, thanks. Thank you.
Okay, that's 3 options for $10. Yeah, good deal. Check that out. Check that out. Thank you. And likewise. Thank you. This chair looks very, very, very interesting. Check this out. I wonder how much. I've got to try this out. Interesting, eh? Can I get check this out. This is so unique. This is potato.
Kumara?
Is that kumara?
Kumara, yeah.
That's kumara and it's potato.
Yes.
I have one kumara, please.
Yep.
Now watch this guy in action. Check this out. There we go. Check that out.
So I show for you some making some
Okay.
chili potatoes.
He's going to show us a small demo on the potato. There you go. Look at that. This is live. You people are so lucky. Look at that. And it comes on this side. Look. It comes on this side.
And then
Wow.
are you?
Wow. See that? Amazing. You see that?
So looks it please. Chicken side.
Which one would you recommend?
Normal salt and more sugar.
What's the best for that?
Salt and sugar.
Okay.
Kumara.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta listen to the experts because they know which one, you know. Check this out. This is actually live. Thank you to this gentleman here for showing us. Thank you so much. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Okay, guys, I'm gonna enjoy this, so I'll get back to you guys. Yeah. Cheers.
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.